this week, both Jimmy and I bet that Laura would bring us a dog. We both owe $1. Mandy, however, guessed hamster. Nicely done.
Thank you.
Good job, Mandy.
Thank you. Oh, he's over here.
She.
Oh, she.
She wants a better view by the window.
We do have a
Exactly.
hamster, and she's mobile because she's in her, what is it, a hamster ball?
Her exercise ball.
Okay.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
important to stay physically fit, especially
Yes.
when you're a little on the big boned side, as is this hamster whose name is Cream Puff.
Cream Puff.
Yes.
Oh, and Cream Puff's still pretty young, not even a year.
She's a young adult, and she, like so many small animals, some parents were at the pet supply store. The large chains still sell small animals, and the kids went, hey, we want a hamster, we want a hamster. And mom and dad bought said hamster and then soon realized that it needed care, and the kids quickly lost interest. And that happens so often. So hamster ends up with us.
Okay, so how do you make sure the same thing doesn't happen when people come to the Humane Society to adopt?
Well, one of the things we do is we really screen potential adopters. We're not selling animals. We're
Right.
adopting animals. So we have an adoption process, and a lot of people think that maybe it's a little too extensive. But what I say to people is the animals don't have a choice where they go. And so we have a really big responsibility to make sure that we place them in a home where their needs are met and the adopters' needs are met. And so she's looking for a home that wants a hamster and can make a lifetime commitment to her. And she's adorable. She's just
She does not want to face
adorable.
the camera.
No, she's
There we
a
go.
little camera shy. Although check her picture out online, because if I do say so myself, it's the best hamster picture I've ever taken.
It's pretty good. You took that picture.
It's a gift.
It reminds me of the dun 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 video.
It's so funny. She is hilarious. She loves her exercise ball, but she also likes in the cage we have her in. And it's really important if you have a small animal that you have a very roomy cage that's kept clean with things to do. Because if you're going to live the majority of your life in an enclosure, you need mental and physical stimulation. So she loves her little hamster wheel, and she gets going on it, her little fat little body, and she runs, and then she power naps because she's exhausted, and then she snacks because really, what are you going to do when you're a hamster? So she needs somebody that can invest and give her the deluxe accommodations. She really loves to nest because when you weigh a couple ounces, you need to feel safe. And so nesting in bedding is something that you're going to want to allow her to do. And there's some really good products out there. We use a product called CareFresh, and it's made here locally by Healthy Pet up in Ferndale. Pet stores, and I don't want to keep degrading pet stores today, but pet stores use wood shavings.
Yeah.
And the reason they do that is because it masks smells.
Oh,
so they
okay.
don't have to clean the cages as often.
I see.
So imagine living in sawdust.
Yeah.
The respiratory problems those could cause. So we don't recommend wood shavings at all. We recommend a paper bedding.
Okay.
And it's really inexpensive. Makes it soft. It's like kind of your Tempur-Pedic mattress if you were a person, or you're something like that, really
Okay,
comfy.
I'd live my life on a Tempur-Pedic mattress if I could.
Right, exactly. So she needs to be kept clean. She needs some soft bedding where she can nest. She needs a hamster ball, both an exercise wheel and her little exercise wheel. And she just needs a lot of love.
Yeah.
She's a good little girl.
Okay. Well, she's awful cute, and it's just fun watching her run around in that little ball.
You just got to wonder, where does she think she's going? Like, she's on a mission.
Right. And does she recognize the same places over and over again, or does she just think like life is one big long like race?
I think somebody that could take her to work should adopt her, because picture staff meetings with a hamster running around in a hamster ball, the stress reliever that would be. And I think she could add a lot to a business. I think she could help manage. She could be the morale chief for a business. She could be in charge of staff morale. The party planning committee, I think she'd be an excellent addition to that if your office has one. So she's got a lot to offer, really.
Perfect.
Yeah.
All right, well, we pulled the dollar out in the beginning because of something new that we're doing. We always try to guess what kind of critter you're going to bring in, and we decided we put our money where our mouth is.
Awesome.
So if we guess and we're wrong, we put $1 in the jar, and then at the end of the year, whatever we raise, we'll give to you. And we have some news for you, Laura.
Okay.
Last week, we had lunch with the folks at
Home Attendant
Care. Thank you.
Awesome.
Very nice people. And they heard about what we were doing, and they said they wanted to match whatever we raised.
How cool is that?
I mean, it's not going to be a ton of money, but maybe we get a couple of more businesses who want to match it, and it turns into something.
They kind of threw down the gauntlet a little bit when they said, we're going to match, and we're hoping you can get other people to match too. So.
Well, 2 paws up for them.
Yeah.
And, you know, people think that when you're giving, when you're being generous, you have to give a lot. If everybody gave a little, think of what an impact that would be. So good for them. Good for you guys. Thank you to everybody. And let's keep it going.
You could play the home game, too, and try to guess at home. And if you're wrong, you put the dollar in the jar.
Good. I mean, let's get this ball rolling.
Yeah, whatever. There's possibilities here.
Well, that's awesome. Thanks, you guys.
You're
Thank you
welcome.
for introducing us to Cream Puff.
Yes, Cream Puff. Puffy to her friends.
Puffy.
Yeah.
Sure.
P. Diddy.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Cream Puff is available now for adoption, along with lots of other critters at the Whatcom Humane Society. You want to see everything that's available? Check out the Whatcom Humane Society's still fairly new website.
Fairly new, WhatcomHumane.org.
Laura Clark, thank you so much.
Have a great week.